So what happened there? Well, I ran out of gas, so that's why the engine cut out. I went to get gas, and so this is well, apparently I thought this was a 0.66 gallon. It's completely out of gas. That's why the engine cut out. No gas. Apparently I thought this was a 0.66 gallon, or 2/3 of a gallon, get up to speed, like around 22. So anyway, I thought this was a 0.66 gallon tank, but I was only able to put 0.5 gallons of fuel of gas into it. I know that's kind of, it's kind of cutting corners, or not cutting corners. It's not really that important, but kind of important later when you're actually trying to estimate going across the state. When you think you have 0.66 gallons and X amount of time, run time on this tank, but you actually don't have it. Yeah, that's kind of important to know. So it's only really 0.55 gallons. So there's a police officer there, so I'm just gonna pretend that I'm pedaling and he's looking behind me. But anyway, so that's kind of the thing, and yeah, so that's what happened. Total cost $1.40, and I think originally I estimated the mileage per gallon to be like what, at 20 miles per hour, like 222 miles per gallon or something like that. I don't think that's right. I think this is based upon what the generator website told me, okay? I'm not actually making this up or doing any kind of exaggeration. This is what they told me. Yes. I feel it's probably like closer to like, a good moped, like maybe 100 miles per gallon, 100 to 130 miles per gallon. I don't think it's 222 miles per gallon. Either I did the math wrong somewhere, or the website's a little bit too aggressive with their estimates there. Either way, one of the two. Am I going the right damn way? I hope I am. Actually, I had no idea. Wait, am I going the right way? Yeah, this should be. Is this 83? I'm on 83 now, right? Yeah, this is North. Yeah, this is North Shore, so this should be the right way, I think. Yeah, so that's what happened. I was on low. Okay, so I knew I was on low. I had low gas beforehand. It's not like I didn't know I had not a lot of gas left. What I was gonna do was I was gonna spend all this gas, or use all the gas up, and then change the oil. I do need to do like a good maintenance on this generator, even though I feel the generator itself is a very good generator. I do need to change the oil, and also, so I'm also kind of helping it up this hill at the moment. I need to change the oil and clean out the air filter, clean out the gunk from probably the muffler, and a couple of the other things, small things. Just to get it back. This generator has been really reliable, I can tell you that. I'm not worried about that going across the state. I'm worried about the other components on the bike that are extremely cheap, unfortunately. Yeah, so don't run out of gas. Well, in that case, when I ran out of gas, I still had 75 volts resting at that point, which would give me I would probably just stop using the motor at 69 volts resting, which would give me 6 times, around 12 miles of range left. at like, you know, around 15 miles per hour, not 15, maybe 15 miles at 15 miles per hour left there, so, you know, I still had I had enough juice to get home. And remember, granted, that this battery pack right now is only at 75% capacity, so I'm waiting for that other battery pack to come. And unfortunately, the price on that other battery pack, I have to pay the full market price, which I think is a little bit high, $45 per pack at the moment, just to get it, because I don't think these batteries are worth $45 per pack. I think they're more closer to $35. And if you get a really good deal, you get them for $25, which I've seen, which actually could be a scam, but I don't know. But I have bought these at $35, and you know, they're great at $35. Great value. But I'll make another video to talk about the batteries, and I'm not that much of an expert on the batteries, but what I'll talk about is the expectations of this battery pack versus the performance, and whether or not maybe I should have gotten branded, like, you know, Panasonic, Sanyo, a professional battery, a huge battery pack, a 72-volt battery pack. That will be expensive. That will be expensive to get. But is that worth it all versus all the crap that I have to do with this battery? Well, the only thing I have to do with this battery is that, well, the only two downsides is that one the battery pack one of the cells is broken and one, or not broken, it's just bad in one of the packs. So that pack is done. And the other thing is that these are not performance batteries. I'm going like 21, whatever. I would not want to push these batteries above the generator to 30, 35, 40 miles per hour. You'll just destroy those batteries so easily. Yeah, so that's kind of the other thing too. But anyway, I'm here. So once I make this turn,